So I've searched on OneSearch and I found the book that I'm interested in checking out. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the title. It gives me a lot of helpful information. Here at the top, you'll see the item type, as well as the title and copyright. If I want to get a citation of this book, I could click here where it says citation. Always double check to make sure that this is correct. A little bit below that, under availability, is a tab that says request this item. I could click there and go ahead and hold this item for myself. Below that is the location in the San Jose State Library. This book is on the 7th floor in the LB section. Below that, we'll see the loan policy under policy. So this book checks out for 16 weeks or 112 days. Under status, we see that this item should be in its place. Below that information, we have this section called Details. Details give more specific information on the book, such as related subjects, as well as a description of what the book is actually about. I hope this has been helpful.